INPRO is a systems integrator of manufacturing technologies with a specialty in UV systems. Fender came to us with a need to speed up their cure time on their guitar bodies. We were able to ultimately deliver a system that made maintenance time minimal and ultimately allowed them to transition their process seamlessly. Their guitar bodies have a coating sprayed on them, and then they go around this conveyor and they get taken off and they get put in a room to dry, just like paint drying, right? It takes 24 hours, and then they can continue working on the guitar and finishing it out. What we're doing is giving them a machine that the guitar will pass through and cures instantaneously, so that whole waiting for paint to dry time goes out the window. We designed it in a way to reduce maintenance time by ensuring that maintainers had easy access for them to be able to change out lamps, change bulbs, clean reflectors, do the things that are needed without sacrificing production time. The system is IoT enabled, providing local and remote control and even remote monitoring from a mobile device of UV intensity, power consumption, and runtime. Ultimately, this system gave Fender exactly what they were after, and we did it by spending the time to dig in with the customer to really find out everything they needed and architecting a solution that provided all of it.